we have to find the difference. We have here subtraction. So we start from the left side and we are going to the right side. So we have 5 minus 9 over 3 over 4 minus, and we have negative 1 over 4. So what we can do, when we see negative and negative sign, it's always give you positive. Why? We have here subtraction of rational numbers. We use the same rule like for subtracting integers. So what we have here, we have to change subtraction to addition of opposite. So negative sign we change to positive, and opposite to negative 1 over 4 is 1 over 4. So from 2 negative you have positive sign. But start from the left side. We have 5 minus 9 and 3 over 4 subtraction. So we can change this subtraction to addition of opposites. Opposite to 9 and 3 over 4 is negative 9 and 3 over 4. The same here. Like I said, you can write plus, but if you don't know how I get this plus, you have to remember that when you subtract, you change subtraction to addition of opposites. So we change subtraction to addition, and opposite to negative 1 over 4 is 1 over 4. So this is equal, or like I said, negative and negative is positive. Just memorize this rule. And now we have addition. Two numbers are positive, one negative. So I can add first 5 and 1 over 4. So this is 5 and 1 over 4. And we have plus negative 9 and 3 over 4. So this is equal. When we add two numbers, one is positive, one negative, first we check which of these two numbers is greater. We forget about negative sign. 9 is greater than 5. So now we check the sign before the greater number is negative. So we copy negative sign, we open parentheses, and we subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 9 and 3 over 4 minus 5 and 1 over 4. Negative sign we copy, and now we have 9 minus 5 is 4. We subtract 4 numbers, and we have to now subtract fraction 1 over 4 also. So the same denominator we have. So we copy the numerator and we just subtract numerators. 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is equal. Negative sign we copy. 4. 2 over 4 we can reduce. Reducing, when we have to reduce, it means we have to divide the numerator and the numerator by the same number. We have 2 and 4, so we can reduce by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we solve first problem. And now the second. Subtraction, like I said, we change subtraction to addition of opposite. So first we copy 8 and 1 over 2. Or we memorize negative and negative give you positive. How I get this? We change subtraction to addition, so we have positive, and we add opposite. Opposite to negative 2 over 3 over 4 is 2 and 3 over 4. So we see we get positive. Two negatives give you positive. And again, we change subtraction to addition of opposite. So opposite now to 5 and 1 over 8 is negative 5 and 1 over 8. So this is equal. First we can add these two first numbers, both of them positive. So the answer will be positive. 8 plus 2 is 10. Positive sign we don't have to write. 1 and over 2 plus 3 over 4. To add these two fractions, we need the same denominator. We We have 4 and 2. The common denominator will be 4. It's the smallest number which is divisible by first and the second denominator. So 4 is divisible by 4 and 2. So here we have 4, but we need to change 2 to 4. So I will multiply denominator by 2 to get 4. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So now we add whole numbers. 8 plus 2 is 10, and now we have to add these two fractions. So 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 will be 4. So we have 2 over 4 plus 3 over 4. Let me write this maybe here. We have 2 over 4 plus 3 over 4. When we add fractions with the same denominator, we copy the numerator and we add numerators. 2 plus 3 is 5. And we have plus negative 5, 1 over 8. Now we have addition of two numbers. One is positive, one negative. We still have 5 over 4, so because numerator is greater than the denominator, we can change this improper fraction to mixed number. It will be 1 and 1 over 4, so 1 plus 10, so will be now 11, and 1 over 4. We change 5 over 4 to mixed number. Let me write this maybe here. Here's 5 over 4. We have 5 over 4. This is equal 1 and 1 over 4. I change improper fraction to mixed number. When we have mixed number, to check if left side is equal to the right side, we just multiply denominator times whole number and add numerator. So 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have 5 over 4. I didn't change anything. I still have the same, but we have improper fraction. I changed this improper fraction to mixed number. And now 5 over 4 is 1 and 1 over 4. I add to 10. So this is 11 and 1 over 4. Let me copy plus negative 5 and 1 over 8. So this is equal positive negative number. So first we forget about negative sign and we check which of these two numbers is greater. 11 is greater than 5. So we check the sign before the greater number. We don't have any sign. It means it's positive. Always we don't write positive sign. So it's positive 11. So I can write positive sign and I open parentheses, and from the greater number I subtract the smaller. So we have 11 and 1 over 4 minus 5 and 1 over 8, close parentheses. So this is equal, positive sign we don't have to write, take down parentheses. So we have 11 and 1 over 4 minus 5 and 1 over 8. We have different denominators. So I will change this two fraction to the same denominator. We have 4 and 8, so common denominator will be 8. It must be number which is divisible by first and the second denominator. So 8 is divisible by 4 and 8, the smallest number, of course. So I need to multiply 4 times 2 to get 8. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So I have 11, 1 times 2 is 2, 4 times 2 is 8, minus 5 and 1 over 8. So this is equal. Now we have to subtract mixed numbers. We subtract from the whole number. So 11 minus 5 give me 6, and I have to subtract also 1 over 8. So 2 over 8 minus 1 over 8. How we do this? We copy denominator. When we subtract fractions, we subtract numerator. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is my solution.